Hi friend, David here from Learn Christmas Lighting. I want to welcome you to our YouTube channel. Now here, you're going to find a lot of things, but first I want to talk for a second about what Learn Christmas Lighting isn't. So there's a lot of people out there teaching Christmas lighting, and I'm going to say that I'm different from a lot of them. My background is a little bit different. I didn't come from a techie developer background. I'm just a normal guy who actually worked in stage lighting and then found my way over to Christmas lighting. And so my perspective is a little different than a lot of other stuff you're going to see about Christmas lighting. So here on the channel, you're not going to hear about programming and Arduino. We're not going to be writing code. We're not going to be doing any of that stuff. None of that's bad. It's just not where what I do. It's not something I'm comfortable doing. And I want to really gear, and I do gear, the training on this site, on courses that I'm developing, on everything I teach in Learn Christmas Lighting is designed for the beginner and for the person who may not be technically inclined. I want to teach you from the basics what to do. So give us a subscribe, check out the videos below, and check out even more resources at learnchristmaslighting.com because I want you to make a great Christmas light display, and I would love to help. I would love to be a part of it. We'll see you there. Thanks.